A comic book is one of the most popular way of entertainment or learning platform for kids. Even it's very popular among adults. You can gain popularity and earn a passive income by creating comic books. But creating a comic book is not so easy. It's a very creative and time-consuming task, but artificial intelligence made things easy. Now you can create a comic strip in just one single prompt. And in today's video, I will explain the process step by step. So without further delay, let's dive in. To use this new feature of Comic AI, you need a Discord account, and currently it allows only invited users. Don't worry, I will put the invitation link in the description box. After coming to the invitation page, click on the Accept Invite link. You may have to solve a CAPTCHA. Now select your language. After that, select your role. I am selecting comic creation and giveaways. Comic AI arranged a giveaway for the user. This is the Comic AI Discord server. You can see the showcase and FAQ of Comic AI. In the left panel of the server, you will find a few channels. You need to find a channel named Comic AI Bot. If you won't find the Comic AI Bot channel here, navigate to the top and select Channels and Roles. Then select the Browse Channel tab. Now find the Comic AI Bot and enable the bot. Now the Comic AI Bot will be available on the channel panel. Select the Comic AI Bot. Now we can create comic strips with just a single prompt. You can read the instructions from the pinned message from here. You have to enter /Comic AI before the prompt. Okay, let's start our comic creation journey. Come to the message box and enter /Comic AI, and then enter your prompt. Write the prompt properly. Your prompt should have a proper description about your comic subject. After entering the prompt, hit the Generate button. Our work is done. Now AI will do its work. Generally, it takes around 1 or 2 minutes to generate the comic strips. And here's our result. Comic AI generates a comic strip with 4 panels. That's impressive. Now you can share this AI-generated comics with friends to have fun together. At that moment with Comic AI Bot, you can generate only a 4-panel strip. But if you want to create long strips, you can divide the strips panel by panel and generate strips with Comic AI Bot, and then edit them to make a long strip. Or you can use the Comic AI website to create a long strip. Alright guys, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of comic creation with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching.